Okay, good evening to everyone. So, my name is Romel Ballesteros. So, I'm going to present the Easy Commerce. So, kung naghahanap ka po ng negosyo, okay, Easy Commerce po pwedeng makatulong sa inyo. So, tingnan po nating platform, ano po ba yung meron sa Easy Commerce. Okay, so let me share the screen. So, ayan. Okay, so Easy Commerce is an e-commerce company po na nagsisimula. So, we started June 2024. Okay? Last month po, no? So, we just only started. So, ang pinaka-office po natin is located at AIC Burgundy Empire Tower. Okay? And legalities, all of our legalities, meron naman po tayo. Ayan. So, and then I'm the president and the CEO of the company. So, my name is Romel Ballesteros. So, I've been in the industry of multi-level marketing for the past 15 years. I've been into e-commerce for the past 5 years na rin po. Okay, so maganda naman po, maganda yung naging achievement, naging income natin, particularly in both industry. Okay, so number one, ano ba sabi nila yung makukuha natin kapag distributor kayo ng Easy Commerce? Number one product natin or number one benefit natin if you are a member of Easy Commerce is you're going to have an e-commerce platform. At the same time, you're going to learn on how to do yung e-commerce. Ano po ba ang e-commerce? E-commerce is the fastest and effective way on how to market any product, any business. So, ibig sabihin ko, kung negosyante ka, kailangan mo i-market yung negosyo mo or yung produkto mo. Okay, ang pinaka-fastest po is yung tinatawag natin na social media advertising, social media marketing, or they call it e-commerce. So ito po yung matututunan mo. Ngayon, kapag ka naman po gusto mo magnegosyo, number one, definitely ang pinakamagandang negosyo ngayon and the fastest way on how to earn is yung tinatawag natin na e-commerce. Okay? So paliwanag ko po yung further ano ba yung e-commerce. E-commerce, mostly, number one dyan is the social media advertising. Particularly the owner of IA Cars, is one of our first distributor in our Easy Commerce company. So po si IA Cars, particularly natuto siya on how to do the social media advertising with the help of Easy Commerce. And ang good thing dito po sa IA Cars, no, yung kanyang sales lumaki po because this is visible in social media. Para may idea kayo, if you have traditional business, if you have po ng mga products, if you're going to put up a business, example, within the Marikina, ang makakakita lang sa iyo, yung mga malapit sa Marikina or yung mapapadaan in your area. Okay? Pero kapag ka po ang negosyo mo is visible in social media, which is social media advertising, the whole Philippines will know all about your product. Kasi nga, maganda po ang nagiging algorithm pagdating sa social media. Paano po ba nagiging algorithm? Example na lang po itong IA Cars. Lahat po ng interest with cars, since naka-advertise to, lahat yan kalimitan makikita nila yung mga advertising all about cars. Particularly, isa po dyan yung IA Cars. Okay? So, ganun po yan. Even sa conversation, kapag nagkukusap kayo sa Messenger all about cars, definitely lahat ng advertisers ni Facebook makikita mo, okay, all about cars. Kapag ka nag-uusap kayo all about travel, yung mga travel and tours na advertisers ni Facebook, makikita mo rin siya. So it's very, very accurate, okay, pagdating po sa algorithm ng social media advertising. So hindi po masasayang yung pag-market mo o pag-advertise mo pagdating sa social media. So even big companies, they are using yung ating social media advertising. Ayan, so makikita nyo po. So kaya sabi ko nga, no, the very effective and the fastest to market is via social media advertising or they call it e-commerce. Okay? So yun po yung kagandahan nito. One of the benefit, matututunan mo po kung paano yung fastest way on how to market in this era. Okay? So ang tanong naman, after ko pong malaman kung paano mag-market, ano naman po yung pwede natin i-market. Number one, bibigyan ka ng option ng company. Okay? Pero pakita ko po muna sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin, no? This is my ad account. particularly, I'm using the ads manager that Facebook, no? So this is my campaign, Mel Nicole. My name is Romel. And my fiancé is Nicole. So imagine nyo po, no? May minarket kaming produkto, ang sales namin dyan, 30 million. Within 6 months, ang sales namin na dinaanan, doon lang po sa dinaanan ng advertisement is 30 million pesos. Pero could you imagine, meron pa po yung repeat order. Ang total na naging sales namin during this product na minamarket po namin yan is 58 million. Meron pa po akong commission or rebates with that company kasi distributor lang po ako ng isang kumpanya, which ito po yung minarket namin. Ang total po na sales namin is 58 million plus income ng rebates. Pero ang binayaran ko po dyan, okay, na advertisement is 9.6 million pesos. So nagkaroon po ako ng net income na roughly mga 34 million in 6 months. Pero could you imagine, hindi ko po siya magagawa kung hindi ko po ginamit yung social media advertising. Kasi sabi ko nga, if you're going to put up a business within your area or yung traditional, yun lang po ang makakabili sa'yo o makakakita sa'yo ng produkto, possible yun lang din yung magiging sales mo. Since I'm using yung tinatawag natin na social media advertising, the whole Philippines that is interested with the product of supplement, particularly supplement po yung aking in-advertise dyan, okay, sila po yung mga possible customer at bumili ng produkto ko. Okay, so kaya po kaming dalawa, ni Ma'am Nicole, no? Every day we have parcels. So ganyan po kabilis at kadali magbenta. Okay? So kaya makikita nyo po yung aming COD, 368, 6.5 million ang aming collection with the JNT. Yan, so ito po yung mga example ng aming mga shipping fees. So meron po akong shipping fee ng 434, 7.2 million po ang ating collection. Ayan. So ito po yung naging resulta using the social media advertising. Okay? So makikita mo yung statement of account namin. Okay? Few days lang. So meron kaming 695,000 mahigit. Few days only, 493,000. Okay? This is collected na po. Kaya po meron siyang statement of account with JNT. Ayan. So makikita nyo po siya. Ayan, so imagine May 21 to 24, couple of days lang, pero almost 1 million po yung ating collected na sales na COD from the JNT po. So ganyan po kaganda. So bakit ko po pinapakita is just to justify each and everyone na nanonood na ito po yung pinaka-modern era na ngayon. Ito na yung pinaka-modern and fastest and effective, okay, on how to market any product, any business, which is yung tinatawag natin na e-commerce or I call it the social media advertising. So ngayon, ang maganda po dito, once na distributor ka ni Easy Commerce, matututunan mo lahat to. Now, the question is, ano naman ang pwede mo i-market? Once na natutunan mo kung paano na yung mag-market sa social media. So number one, okay, company will give you an option. You can create your own brand. So, tutulungan ka po ng company ng Easy Commerce to create your own brand. Pag-uusapan po natin ang negosyo ng rebranding or yung pagkikreate ng sariling brand. Hindi naman po lingid sa kaalaman natin na marami na pong naging successful na nag-create sila ng mga sarili nilang brand. Andyan po si Rosmar, andyan po si Glenda, which is at the age of 27 years old, no? It's a multi-billionaire na po, no? And marami pong mga personality like Ana Magwakas, the owner of Lux Slim, di ba? So there's a lot of people na nagiging successful once they create their own brand. The big problem with creating of their own brand is number one yung puhunan. Kasi kalimitan, manufacturing company will require you 5,000 to 10,000 minimum order quantity once na nagpa-create kayo ng sariling brand. Pero in Easy Commerce po, tutulungan namin kayo. Why? In just only few hundreds, okay, of minimum order quantity, you can create your own brand. So meron na po tayo mga readily available products na pwede mong i-rebrand. Okay? So ngayon, ang tanong naman, okay, pag nakapag-create na ako ng sarili kong brand, okay, matutulungan ba akong i-market? okay, ng easy commerce yung aking produkto. Actually, yes po. Bakit? Kasi kapag ka po na okay na yung sarili mong brand, automatic lahat na po yan is okay na, pati yung papers, FDA. Okay? Ang maganda po nito, company can be your partner with your product. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mong i-partner yung produkto mo in easy commerce para lahat ng distributor ni easy commerce pwedeng i-resell yung iyong produkto. Okay? So, ganun po kaganda yung platform natin. Pero ang tanong naman po, what if yung distributor na nag-join, hindi pa siya ready na mag-create ng sariling brand? Ito po yung maganda. We have another platform po, which is yung tinatawag natin na liquidation item or yung mga liquidation product natin. Kasi pag member ko po ng Easy Commerce, you will have an access to the liquidation product of the company. Okay, ito po yung mga liquidation product natin. We have a lot of item. We have laptops. Okay, so we have mga Xiaomi monitor. Kami po yung nagle-liquidate, okay, ng mga iba-ibang produkto at binibenta po natin siya ng mura. Okay, example po, meron po tayo ngayong mga Xiaomi monitor. Nung nakaraan po, no, we have HP laptop, yung ProBook. So imagine the price of the ProBook is 16,000 ang brand new. Pagdating sa marketplace, second hand is 9,000 to 10,000. Pero yung mga member po natin nakuha lang in Easy Commerce ng 4,800. Binibenta po nila yan ng 6,500 to 7,000 pesos. Okay, so meron naman tayong dumating, napakarami, yung Cherry Mobile Flare. Okay, so yung Cherry Mobile Flare, ang price po niya sa mall, nung nasa mall pa po yan, before i-pull out ng Cherry Mobile, okay, nasa 4,990. Pero once na distributor ka po ng Easy Commerce, you will have an access to our liquidation item. Makukuha mo lang po siya ng 1,399. At yung mga member natin, binibenta siya ng 2,000, 2,500 po. So, ganun po yung nagiging profit po nila. So, there's a lot of items in our company. So, yan, makikita nyo po yung Xiaomi monitor natin. Okay, napakadami po nito. Okay, so marami po ito na produkto. Meron po din tayo mga coffee maker, which is 12,500 sa mall, pero mabibili mo lang sa atin ng 5,250. Pwede mong ibenta in the market ng 6,500, 7,000, depende po sa iyo. Okay? So, yun po yung kagandahan. So, at the same time, ayan, may mga LED TV pa rin po tayo. Okay? And also, we have consumable product. Yung mga pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina that is non-consumable product. Pag bumili na po kasi sa yung tao, automatic, no, ng laptop, hindi na ulit bibili sa iyo. Pero syempre, meron tayong mga produkto na consumable. The consumable product, napakaganda. Number one, yung product natin, yung Easy Wellness Deer Placenta with Pine Bark. So pag-usapan na po natin yung deer placenta or stem cell. Alam naman po natin ang deer placenta, they are roughly 20,000, 25,000, 18,000, 17,000, 15,000, ganyan po yung mga presyo niyan. Pero in our company, the good thing here, uh, in-import po natin yung deer placenta here in the Philippines, yung raw material. Okay, dito po natin pinatol manuf. Kaya po ang presyo medyo malayo po doon sa ibang mga other brand, okay, ng deer placenta. Our price of Easy Wellness deer placenta with pine bark is only 3,980. Imagine if you are distributor of Easy Commerce, you will get it for 50% off pa. Okay, so napakadali pong i-market ng stem cell, which is our deer placenta. A second one, we have also the barley. Our barley naman, marami nagtatanong, Sir, ano po ba yung kinaibahan ni barley natin, ni Easy Wellness barley, sa ibang barley? Number one po yung lasa, okay? Because our uh, Easy Wellness barley is meron po siyang pure stevia, which is hindi mo na iiwasan yung lasa, okay, ng isang barley grass. So napakasarap po nito at ulit-ulitin mo siya. Second po na advantage ng barley natin is we have a 5 grams per sachet. Most of the barley outside or in the market is only 3 grams per sachet. So parang anong nangyayari po, yung dalawang box ng barley nila, katumbas lang ng halos isang box lang po ng ating barley. Okay? So, ganun po siya. And our company will have a lot of product pa. This is upcoming product natin, the Easy Glow and the Easy Stream. We have also the Natural Bella Prebiotic Soap. Okay? Which this product is not owned by the company. This is owned by our distributor. Okay? So, ang maganda po nito, we are open for partnership. Pag member ka po natin, may produkto ka, pwede mo ipasok with the company. So, all the member of our company can sell or can market your product also. Like this product of our member, which is Natura Bella Prebiotic. Ang maganda nito, this is available at Watsons. Okay? So, sabi ko doon sa member po natin, you can partner your product to our company, okay, para magkatulungan po tayo. Aside from that, we have also partnership product, which is the Long Reach Negative Ion Napkin and Panty Liner. So this product is owned by another networking company. So sad to say, in the pandemic days, okay, nawala po yung kanilang company. Pero before the pandemic, they have sales of 2.6 billion in the Philippines. So sayang yung mga user. Kaya po after po na mangyari yon, hindi na nakabalik ang Long Reach, the networking company, before. So they wanted to partner their product to an e-commerce company. Sabi kasi nung owner ng Long Reach, e-commerce company is a pandemic proof. So nung nalaman po nila na may e-commerce, they wanted to partner their product to our company. So that's why it is available in our company. Okay? So yun po yung kagandahan. Now, pag member ka na po, you're going to have your own website. If you're going to see, there's 2 login. Okay? The member login and the easy learning. Sa easy learning po, pagpasok nyo dito, you're going to have your own password and username. And pagpasok nyo dyan yung po matututunan yung tinatawag natin na e-commerce. So step by step, we're going to have videos, okay, which doon mo matututunan kung paano po yung step by step kung paano ginagawa yung e-commerce. So kahit zero knowledge ka po, okay, pwede mo matutunan yung tinatawag natin na e-commerce, which is the fastest and effective way on how to market in social media. Okay? So yun po. And also, we have also the multi-level marketing login. Inventory and accounting, ilan yung member mo, ilan yung sales nila, ilan din yung naging member nila, makikita nyo po dito. Okay? So now, we are proud to announce that we're going to have marketplace. 30% na po yung nagagawa ng ating IT with our platform of marketplace. Our own version of marketplace is like Lazada, Shopee. Pero ang maganda po kasi dito, only member of Easy Commerce can sell on that platform para po controlled natin na hindi magkakaroon po ng mga bogus seller. Okay? Para yung mga buyer, bumalik po yung tiwala with the online platform. Okay? So, yun po yung kagandahan ng marketplace natin. So, ngayon, paano po ba mag-join with Easy Commerce? So, in Easy Commerce, para may idea po kayo, there's a lot of package. Pero ang maganda po kasi dito, we are implementing the one account policy. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka po pwedeng magkaroon ng multiple accounts. Isang account lang. Pero, sa isang account mo, marami pong level of package ang pwede mong piliin. So, meron po tayong pinakamababa, which is our copper. Okay? We have bronze package. We have silver package. We have gold package. And we have platinum package. Okay? So now, when it comes to multi-level marketing, pwede ka po mamili kung ano pong package yung gusto mo. Okay? So ngayon, we have also yung lastly, yung pinakamataas po natin is the titanium package. So ano yung kinaibahan nito? Siyempre, yung income din naman po pagdating sa multi-level marketing, which ito po yung i-discuss ko. Now, we have 11 ways to earn in Easy Commerce. 50% off po, number 1. Okay, yung ating retailing discount. Then, we have a one account policy. Ang maganda po nito, auto spillover. Paano po ba nangyayari yan? Example po, ikaw ito. Okay? Meron ka lang pwedeng maging member, Team 1 and Team 2, okay, in your immediate. Pero yung mga excess po na mga referral mo na nag-join sa'yo as distributor, it will be extreme left or extreme right. Depende po sa'yo yan. Okay? So lahat na magiging referral mo or direct referral mo, it will be extreme left and extreme right. Hindi po pwedeng pumunta dito, 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 or inner. So kalimitan, lagi pong extreme left and extreme right. Kaya po ang nangyayari dito is auto spillover po yung nangyayari dito. Okay? Magkakatulungan. Okay? So whether you like it or not, kapag join mo, yung mga nag-invite sa'yo at yung mga nauna po dyan, lahat po na magiging referral nila, mahahati lang sa Team 1 and Team 2. So kahit pa paano, meron yan tinatawag na auto spillover po. Okay, magkano naman ang direct referral? Ang direct referral po ng copper, okay, is 600, bronze 1,000, silver 2,000, gold 6,000, platinum 12,000, 20,000 naman po ang titanium. Okay? Excuse me. So now, we have also the sales bonus or yung match pairing bonus. Para magkaroon ka daw niyan, meron kang Team 1 and Team 2, magkakaroon ka ng match pair bonus. So sa match pair bonus, ang maganda po dito, okay, is copper, 600 points po ang pumapasok kada may nagjo-join. So ang magiging pairing mo is 600. Sa bronze po, 1,000 ang pairing niyan, 2,000 sa silver, 6,000 sa gold, 12,000 sa platinum, 20,000 naman po sa titanium. Okay? So ngayon, ang tanong naman po dito, paano pag copper ka? Okay, may nag-join sa'yo na titanium. Okay, magkano po yung points na babalik na papasok sa'yo at magkano din yung magiging points mo. In this case, copper ka po, may nag-join sa'yo na titanium, since na copper ka, ang papasok lang po talaga dyan is 600 points. So, ang magiging pairing mo is only 600. Pero, when it regards to that, balikan ko po yung kanina, yung direct referral, baliktad naman po ito. Ang maganda dito sa direct referral, kahit copper ka at may nag-join sa'yo na titanium, makukuha mo pa rin yung 20,000 po. Okay? Not unlike ka po dito sa sales match bonus, dito naman po medyo naging mahigpit. Pero again, pwede ka naman po mag-upgrade kasi ang upgrading natin is no time frame. At ang upgrading po natin, dadagdagan mo na lang yung kulang, okay? Para makapag-upgrade ka po. Okay? Ayan. So, aside from that, we have Balik Puhunan Program. Ito po yung pinakamalaki ngayon. Okay? Na income in easy commerce. Why? Ang Balik Puhunan po, kapag bronze or silver ka, ang tawag po dyan high five. Kapag ka nakapagpa-join ka daw ng 5 na bronze, you will get additional income bonus na 10,000 pesos. Kapag silver, you will get additional bonus na 15,000. Imagine, nakapagpa-join ka ng 5, okay, may direct referral ka na, may pairing bonus ka pa, meron ka pa pong high five. Pero kapag ka po gold, platinum, titanium ang napa-join mo, you will get easy 4. Okay? Ang easy 4 po, 4 lang na direct referral. You will get 50,000 pesos sa gold. Kapag 4 po yan, pag may na-refer kang 4 na platinum, you will have 100,000. And you will have 200,000 po sa 4 na referral na titanium. Ang maganda po dito, no time frame. And ang maganda po dito, unlimited. Okay? Bakit? Sa high five, every 5 direct referral, you will get high five. And sa easy 4, every 4 direct referral, kahit araw-araw po, magkaroon ka ng 4, you will get easy 4. Depende lang po kung ano po yung pumasok. It's either gold, platinum, or titanium. Okay, so ngayon, pag-usapan natin, syempre, ang pinakamalaki po is titanium. So now, sa titanium, ito maganda. Okay? Bigyan ko lang po kayo ng previous previous paano ba ginagawa yung titanium. Sample po sa titanium. Pag-usapan natin si direct referral. Si direct referral po, kada daw may mapapajoin ka is you will have 20,000 direct referral bonus. So kung dalawa yan, may another 20,000 ka. Pangatlo, you have another 20,000. Pang-apat po, another 20,000. So you will have an income of 80,000 pesos. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung match pairing bonus, you will get 20,000 on the first pair, second pair is 20,000. So you get 40,000 pesos. Okay? So imagine, meron ka ng 80,000, may 40,000 ka pa. Since na apat po ang naging direct referral mo, you have easy 4. Magkano po siya? Meron kang additional na 200,000 pesos. Okay? So, pero, ito yung maganda. Magkano total kinita mo? That is 320,000 in just only 4 direct referral of titanium. Pero hindi pa dyan natatapos yan. Kapag po titanium ka, we have the Easy Global Pool Profit Sharing. Ano po ba ito? The Easy Global Pool Profit Sharing, 2% of the net income ng company, okay, will goes to the global pool. At ang maghahati-hati po dyan is the provincial distributor, city distributor, and the titanium account holder. For the titanium account holder, you have 2 consecutive years na kasama ka po sa Easy Global Pool Profit Sharing. Malaki po ito. Bakit? I remember when I was a distributor of a multi-level marketing company, so nagiging sales namin doon is 3.4 billion, 3.7 billion in just only 1 year. Okay? Assuming na lang 1 billion, the computation of 2% of 1 billion will be 20 million. And the 20 million, ang maghahati-hati dyan, yung mga provincial distributor, city distributor, and the titanium account holder po. Okay? So, yun po yung kagandahan ng ating titanium. Aside from, syempre, mas malaki yung income. Okay? May secured na sila na profit sharing with the company for 2 years. Okay? Aside from that, okay, meron po tayong tinatawag na leadership bonus for every package. Ito naman po, hindi lang sa titanium. Lahat ng package to. Paano po ba ang leadership bonus? Lahat ng direct referral mo or napa-join mo, lahat ng income po nila, okay? Pagdating sa match sales bonus, you will get 10% income. Okay? Pero hindi sila nababawasan. 10% ng kinita ng mga naging direct mo, okay, pagdating sa pairing bonus or match sales bonus, will give it to you. Pero again, company ang magbibigay, hindi po mababawas sa mga member. Example po, kung kumita ng 1 million yung direct referral mo, you will get 10% from the company. Magkano yung income mo? So meron kang 100,000 pesos. Okay? E paano kung 10 yung naging referral mo na kumita ng tigwa 1 million after 2 years? 'Di ba? So imagine mo, meron ka pong tigti 10% doon. So meron kang tiga 100,000 sa 10 direct referral mo po. Okay? Aside from that, we have also the unilevel bonus. Sa unilevel, typical unilevel, pero ang kagandahan kasi nito, no, from first level to 10th level, you will get 10% of the unilevel points. Ang maganda po dito, all the product of the company will have a unilevel points, including, okay, including po yung mga laptop, mga cellphone, lahat po ng liquidation item natin will have also the unilevel points. So imagine mo po, our company, ang goal, dumami ng dumami ang produkto. So mas marami pong produkto, mas marami pwedeng ibenta, mas marami pong unilevel income. Pero hindi lang po unilevel. Bakit? We have also the repeat binary bonus. So example, yung team A mo, may team B ka, may nagjo-join dyan, may binary ka. Pero lahat ng member mo, pag bumibili ng produkto sa team A and team B mo, meron ka pa ring repeat binary. Kasi lahat po ng produkto may binary points. Even the laptop, the cellphone, lahat po yan, meron pong binary points. Okay? So magmamatch din po siya. So example po, no? Nakaipon ka na lang dito ng 50,000 points. 50,000 points based on the product purchase. So pag nag-pair po yan, meron kang magkano? 50,000 pesos. Okay? Pero hindi mo naaantayin yung 50,000. Kasi ang pinakamaliit po na points natin, pag nakabuo ka lang ng 600 dito, 600 dito, so meron ka ng 600 pesos na repeat binary income coming from the repeat purchase of the product. Again, including po dito yung mga liquidation item natin like laptops, okay, cellphone, and other item po natin sa liquidation. Okay? So ayan, so this is the associate and elite packages. So ang maganda po dito, okay, pagdating sa pairing income, okay, wala po tayong flash out. Okay? There's no flash out, strong leg retention po. Ang pinaka-safety net po natin sa company is the maximum income per week. Okay? So once na titanium ka na, that is 200,000 maximum income per week. Pero hindi po dyan natatapos because the next level of titanium will be the diamond. Pag diamond ka na po, okay, hindi mo kailangan bilhin si diamond. Ang tawag po doon rank up. So may certain requirements po para ma-hit mo yung diamond, para yung 200,000 mo will goes to 300,000 weekly income. Okay? After the diamond, may 1 star, may 2 star diamond, 3 star diamond, 4 star diamond, hanggang 7 star diamond. Ang pinakamalaking income po natin will be 3 million per week pagdating po sa binary. Okay? Pero aside from that, okay, aside from the binary, lahat po ng income like balikpunan, direct referral, unilevel, di ba? Etc. So lahat po yun, wala pong maximum. So unlimited po siya. Okay? So aside from that, we have also the yearly car incentive. Hindi ka na po mag-aantay ng platform kung may incentive ba yung company pagdating sa car because part of the marketing plan of the company is the yearly car incentive. Paano po ba nag-work to? Okay? This will be yearly based on the pairing bonus.